Hello and welcome to the Stockton-San Joaquin County Public Library's instructional video on how to use Hoopla. So in today's video, I am using my laptop, so I will be accessing Hoopla through my web browser. So first, you want to start by going to the library's homepage, which is ssjcpl.org. Once you get to the website, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Hoopla icon at the bottom. Now it should take you to hoopladigital.com, and this is where you're going to actually create your account. So first, you click on Get Started Today and type in your email and then confirm that email. Next, you want to create a password that's at least 8 characters, but no more than 40. And as always, be sure to read the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Go ahead and click agree after you've done that. So the next step is to choose your library and make sure you choose Stockton-San Joaquin County Public Library. Then click next. And at this point, you're going to enter your library card number and your PIN. Now, once you've entered your library card number and your PIN, go ahead and click sign up. And congratulations, you successfully created your Hoopla account. Now, at this point, you're ready to browse for material and possibly download or borrow material. So if you know the title of the item you're looking for, you can go ahead and type it into the search bar and then click the magnifying glass. But if you just want to browse and see what Hoopla has to offer, hover your mouse over browse and then click on it and select which format you are looking for. So for me, I'm going to just select ebooks. And so now you can see that the search results, these are all of the ebooks that Hoopla has to offer. I'm going to just click on one of them. Now, if I wanted to borrow this material, I would click this button here. And then it's going to give me a warning to let me know that I can borrow this item for 21 days. So I'm going to click borrow title. Okay, so then it's telling me that I can now enjoy this title through Tuesday, April 21st. Go ahead and click read if you're ready to read your item. Okay, and that is how you create a Hoopla account using your web browser. Okay, so the other way to create a Hoopla account is by using the Hoopla app. And you can install it by going to your device's app store. So I'm going to go to Google Play and I'm going to search Hoopla. Hoopla Digital is the app that you're looking for. And go ahead and install that. Okay, now that the app is installed, we can open it. And this screen here is the screen you're gonna use to set up your Hoopla account. So go ahead and click sign up. You're going to enter your email address. You're going to go ahead and reconfirm. that email address. Now you're going to create a password, and it needs to be at least 8 characters, and remember, no more than 40. And then once you've done that, go ahead and press done. As always, you want to make sure you read your terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Okay, so this is just a prompt on my phone. It's saying that, you know, it wants to tap into my device's location so that it can help find the library. So I'm going to allow only while using the app. And some of you may get that prompt, others may not. It's okay. But the next step in creating your account is to choose your library. So we're going to go ahead and choose Stockton, San King County, and then press next. At this point, you want to enter your library card number and PIN. So after you've done that, you've entered your library card number and your PIN, you want to go ahead and click sign up. And now you should be in your Hoopla account. From this point, if you know the title that you're looking for, you can search specifically by pressing the magnifying glass and typing in the title of the book or movie. If you don't know and you just want to browse, you can do that by selecting one of the formats: audiobooks, movies, music, comics, ebooks, or television. And this is just a little handy. You can swipe left or right to let you know how to navigate through the app. All right, so all of these ebooks right here, you have access to. So let's go ahead and pick Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Now, if I wanted to borrow this title, I would just simply press the borrow button. If I wanted to maybe add it to my favorites list, I would press the heart. And now you can see it says add it to favorites. I can easily take that off and remove it from my favorites. Okay. You scroll down a little bit, it'll give you a brief summary of the book and the author. So we're going to go ahead and select this title to borrow, and it gives you a prompt to let you know that this title can be borrowed for 21 days. So I'm going to go ahead and borrow that. Okay, and it needs permission to download this item to my device. So I'm going to allow that. And now, as you can see, this ebook is being downloaded to my device. So it will automatically return itself once my lending period is up. Once this is done downloading, the read button will become highlighted, and then I'll be able to select read and start reading this book. Thank you.